Hello friends, Assalamu-O-ALAIKUM. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learn English with Oneza. Let's read and learn Oxford Modern English, 3rd edition for grade 1. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Unit 9, Part 2, now we are 6. Complete poem. Urdu translation and solved exercise. Now we are 6. When I was 1, I had just begun. When I was 2, I was nearly new. When I was 3, I was hardly me. When I was 4, I was not much more. When I was 5, I was just alive. But now I am 6, I'm as clever. So I think I'll be 6 now, forever and ever. What's to know? Forever.
हमेशा के लिए,
Hardly.
मुश्किल से,
Nearly.
तकरीबन,
When.
जब,
Just.
सिर्फ,
Begun.
शुरू,
Much.
बहुत,
More.
मज़ीद,
Alive.
जिंदा,
Clever.
होशियार,
Think.
सोचना,
Ever.
कभी।
Now we are 6.
अब हम 6 साल के हैं।
When I was 1,
जब मैं 1 साल की थी,
I had just begun.
मैं शुरू हुई ही थी।
When I was 2,
जब मैं 2 साल की थी,
I was nearly new.
तो मैं तकरीबन नई थी।
When I was 3,
जब मैं 3 साल की थी,
I was hardly me.
तो मुश्किल से मैं ही थी।
When I was 4,
जब मैं 4 साल की थी,
I was not much more.
तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं थी।
When I was 5,
जब मैं 5 साल की थी,
I was just alive.
मैं सिर्फ ज़िंदा ही थी।
But now I am 6.
लेकिन अब मैं 6 साल की हूँ।
I am as clever.
मैं अब बहुत ज़्यादा होशियार हूँ।
So I think I'll be 6 now.
बस मैं सोचती हूँ कि अब मैं 6 साल की ही रहूँगी।
Forever and ever.
हमेशा हमेशा के लिए।
Exercises. A. Understanding the poem. 1. Talk about the following with your teacher and then write the answers. When did the poet just begin? When he was 1. When did the poet become nearly new? When he was 2. What happened when the poet became 6? He became much clever. Do you think the poet likes being 6? Yes, the poet likes being 6. 2. Discuss these words in the class and use them in sentences. Nearly. Our team nearly won the match. Just. He just missed his bus. Hardly. He hardly got passing marks. Much. He is much better now. B. Working with words. 1. Find rhyming words in the poem to put in the blanks below. New. Grew. 2. Blink. Wink. Think. 4. Store. More. Fun. Run. 1. C. Activity 1. Talk about being 6 or 5 or 7. If you are 5 or 7, did you like being younger? Will you like being older next year? I am 6 years old now. I like it very much. I am very clever now. Now I am much powerful than before. I can do so many things now. I like and enjoying being younger. I like being older to become more clever and powerful. 2. Draw 2 pictures. Label them. Me at 6 and me at 96. Write a few sentences too. Me at 6. I am very young. I am strong and powerful. I can run, jump and play. I have sharp teeth. I have soft and glowing skin. Me at 96. I am very old. I am very weak. I can't walk without stick. I have no teeth. I have a wrinkled skin. 3. When you should say thank you and sorry. When someone helps you or gives you something, you tell them thank you. When you do or say something wrong, you say, I am sorry. Look at the following sentences. Think about whether you should say thank you or sorry. Write it next to the sentence. Your mother has made breakfast for you. You say thank you. Your friend has given you his pencil to use. You say thank you. You lost your friend's pencil. You say sorry. 4. Asim and Bisma are greeting each other. Read their conversation.
Good morning. My name is Asim. What's your name?
Good morning. My name is Bisma.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am good too.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Project. Let's play with numbers. Can you do these sums? Write the answers in the spaces given. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Color the boxes. 5 red, 6 black, 7 blue. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.